Hi guys, this is Carly and it's been a long while since I do a cover. Today I would like to do a cover of one Khmer song. I don't normally do Khmer song, but I really like this song lately, and it's been released like a while ago, probably a year or two. But I just found out that about this songs, and I like the melodies and everything about it. So I decided to cover it. I just learned about it like yesterday, but I hope you guys like it. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Kali ហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹង cover ចម្រៀងមួយបទជាចម្រៀងខ្មែរជាទូទៅខ្ញុំអត់សូវ cover ចម្រៀងខ្មែរប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់បទហ្នឹងខ្ញុំស្គាល់បទហ្នឹងប្រហែលខែប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំតែរៀនពីបទហ្នឹងម្សិលមិញនេះអញ្ចឹងមានការខុសឆ្គងអីកុំប្រកាន់អីបទហ្នឹងជាបទរបស់ Noi ដែលមានចំណងជើងថាមេអណ្ដើកគឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងចូលចិត្ត Enjoy. មានទូនីតិត្រឹមជាមិនស្រីមិនស្រីមិនមានន័យថាសង្សារអ Well, this is my dog, my stuffed dog. I don't have a dog, so my mom's been allergic and she don't really play with dogs, so I don't have any one yet. So yeah, thank you for watching my covers of this Khmer song, and I hope you forgive me for any mistakes. I've been playing like 10 times already and it's still a mistake, and it's getting pretty late, so just forgive me, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, just share it to anybody at all, or maybe if you don't, it's still fine. So just want to say that's my dog. He's really cute, and he hope you like it, and I hope you like it, and we hope you like it. So I'm going to sleep right now with Barton after I post this video. So enjoy. Good night. Bye bye. Love you.